Greetings, fellow nerds. Motor City Games here with another box opening for you. An escalation pack for Roar. Battle for Cortaan. Another brand new booster box, if you will, for this beautiful, beautiful collectible card game, trading card game, whatever you care to call it. It has some of the best and most detailed art I have seen on any trading card game, even counting, well, Magic or any of the other games out there. There's 15 card boosters in here. They are bound, so I don't want to damage them. There she is, Miss America. And I need to sharpen my knife. There we go. So let's get right to the nitty-gritty here. I'm going to try to... Man, that's so cool. The lighting in this artwork, just better than any game out there. I'm going to jump right into it here and open up these booster packs. There we go. Try to speed the video along here. I love when they open up. I ate my words before they even came out of my mouth. I was going to say, I love when they open up so easily. And then the cards decided to take a leap of faith a la Altair here. So I'm just going to open them all up first and then go through them. Oh, there's a purple legendary. Let's see if I can remember the rares. That white is common, red is rare, blue is epic, and purple is legendary. There we are. Okay, now let's get these guys all together here. Man, it sure seems like a lot of cards now that they're all open. All right, let's try to... Yeah, they're... Slide, slippity slide. All right. And here we go. We got Shrine, Sundered Isles, Hillside. Whoa, the map. Dang, trust me. And that's a common. I'm just going, oh, geez. I'm just going to go through these really quickly here, just to show off the beautiful artwork. Queen. And just keep my eyes open for some of, oh gosh, that's cool. Juggernaut, nice. Keep my eyes open for some of those purple legendaries here. Move these down a little further so I can check them out better. Heavy Trooper, gosh, that's cool. Even got the reflection in the armor. Quest upgrade. Spark Tactics. Battlecaster. Cultist. And I have already seen cards that I don't have, which makes me quite happy because of the fact that there's different cards in the escalation packs. Ooh, there we go. Nice. Legendary. There's different cards in the escalation packs that are not available in the starter decks or the initial, I think they call them beta booster packs if I remember correctly. So, ooh, another legendary. Madness. Ooh, this is supposed to be a very good card. And that comes right from the creator of the game himself. That Madness is one to look out for. There we go. Apex. So cool. Sulketa. Trebuchet. Drown. And Healing Light. There's the first in here. I'll show again that wicked looking back on here. And let's split the difference here a little bit. Ooh, Celeste God Unit. There's a legendary. Devout. Sleep. Keen. Insight. The Devout. Band of Clarity. Oh, that's cool. Breath of Fire. Nice. Yeah, quick beat. I'm just again going to go through these fairly quick, so this doesn't take forever. Oh, wicked! I love that they have dinosaurs in this. And just a variety of creatures and characters, units and spells is just amazing. Hunter, Leopard, Sky Shearer, nice Unicorn Pegasus there. Cold Heart. Oh, see, I'm so distracted there. Wow, I'm so distracted by the artwork that I wasn't even paying attention to the rarity, which I think says a lot for the game. Oh, wait a second. Rally, then rally again. All right. But now I have plenty of cards so that I can customize those starter decks. You know, we'll play them as is the first couple times, and then my wife and I, ooh, nice, another legendary. Then my wife and I will see what we like play-wise and what we want to change, and then we'll sit, another legendary, we'll sit and we'll dig through all these singles and tweak our decks to make them more personalized. There we go. Gosh, that's cool. Set the watch. I'm still... The fact that this game has artwork that makes me stop, like the Lich Skull here. Wow. That can make me stop, A, talking, and B, looking through here. That just tells you how much time and effort. I think I got 2 or 3 of this legendary guy. Light. But it just tells you how much love and care has gone into the creation of this game. So kudos, Mr. Holloway, for all your blood, sweat, and tears, time, and money. God, that's so cool. Whoa. I hope in future expansions maybe they have some foils. This would be cool foil. I would also love to see, and I'm sure games have done it. I have not seen it, but of course, another legendary. It doesn't mean anything, of course. Like this in foil would be sweet. But let's see a game where, well, number 1, I don't spill all the cards. Number 2, that has, okay, glow-in-the-dark ink. Is that something? Ooh, nice. I wonder if that's something they can do. Ooh, 2 legendaries. Binding Spellflux. Always gotta love a trebuchet. Pray for peace. Again, amen to that, brother. Thought it was like a Skeletor for a second. Cultist. Celeste Chosen. The Chosen Sword above the battle, leading from the front. Gosh, that's cool looking. We're getting some doubles here, which is to be expected. But I'm still getting some cards that I haven't got yet, and ones I've only gotten 1 in the entire Escalation pack, which is awesome. So cool. And I like that there's same cards, but they'll have different artwork. I know in some games people like to want the same artwork always on the same card. And when Magic did that in Fallen Empires and stuff, people got angry. But I love it because read the dang card. So there we go. We have my second opening, of an Escalation pack here of Roar Battle for Cortaan. there we go. And I'll give you that social media QR code here again. And there we go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that y'all have a great day.